Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock your Snapchat account, right? If it is got banned or temporarily banned, right? So we'll just go to the Chrome browser. Here we will search Snapchat support, right? And just click on the first link, right? Because this is the official website of Snapchat. And here you will get this kind of information. So you have to just click on the contact us, right? And here you will get this option that I think my account was compromised, right? Or you can just select I can't access my account, right? So select any one of them and here you will get this. And otherwise, if you're not able to find this option, you can do one thing. Here you can see that just right here ban. Okay, and here you can see that my account is locked, right? And basically here you will get this so many things and information, and here the community guidelines. So you can see that you can try login back in via the app or not the web by going here. You can just go to there, and basically if you have tried all these steps and it is not working, just click on here contact our support team. Here it will redirect to a new page, and basically you have to select any one of them. I will suggest you to select this one. I think my account was hacked, right? And after that you have to enter your username here, then your email address, then the phone number, and this all three information should be active, right? And after the description, so description is very important guys. Here you have to explain that why your account was banned, whether it's a ban by mistakenly or you have violated any kind of rules and regulation. If you have did, then remove the photos or snaps as soon as possible. And after that you have to verify this captcha and just click on send. So this is it guys. This is very easy. You have to make sure, and in the next 24 hours Snapchat support or team will contact you through your email address, right? So make sure that you give your active email address and the phone number. So this is it guys. If you found this information really helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.